daming S. Tut! My first love.
Namaste, I'm Dr. Sa, and today we'll be watching Marcelito. I miss watching Marcelito, and it's been quite a while. I have not done reaction for Marcelito, and I have lots of requests for Marcelito, which I will be getting back to soon. I'll make videos soon, but yeah, slowly, but I will make the video. So if you ask me why I've not been very active recently, it's because I don't have laptop with me. My dad took away my laptop, and I can only make videos when he is not around. So yeah, that's the sole reason I've not been able to make as many videos as I want these days. And if you're a regular viewer, you must know that I am doing live stream every single Tuesday, but this Tuesday I was not able to live because I was sad and I just didn't want to just sit there pretend to be happy. That's the reason I didn't go live stream. But once I have my laptop, I will soon start to make videos frequently and yeah, do live stream every single week. And if you want to support us, please subscribe and give me thumbs up. And also we have merch, we have Patreon, and we also have YouTube membership. So yeah, your little help really means a lot to me. Okay, let's get started now. So today we'll be watching Marcelito Pomoy Remote Control Challenge, and this was also recommended to me, and I really I really love watching Marcelito. His dual voice is just so mesmerizing, and I think this is also I think in this challenge also we'll be able to hear the amazing dual voice, and I'm so excited. Okay, let's watch. So, it's been quite a while, and I really know some of the people from Philippines now, and I think this person here on the left is Vice Kanda, I think, because he is really very popular in Philippines, and I see him on trending videos most of the times he's on trending in Philippines. I don't know if it's to say he or she, but yeah, I don't mean to disrespect, but yeah.
Kung lalaki ka sa simula, kailangan mag-change ka ng pambabae. Pag pumindot ako ulit from pambabae, mag-change ka naman sa lalaki. Tapos palit lang ng palit. Okay? Okay. Ang kanta ay Endless Love. Do it talaga yan. Sisimula tayo sa lalaki, ha?
I really don't know what they're saying, but maybe I think Vice Kanda is asking Marcelito to sing.
Tut. There's only you in my life.
Oh my God, so beautiful.
Ang galing, ang daming S. Tut. My first love.
Oh, I just love his female voice. It's so beautiful, and it really gets me every single time.
You're every breath that I take. You're every step I make.
Oh my gosh, so beautiful. So I think he's going to say, okay, do the Tut means I think change voices and sing on female's voice, and if he's singing in female's voice, Tut means now sing in male's voice.
I want to share. Tut. Oh my love.
Oh my God, the amount of control he has over his voice. And now he's just increasing, making it more frequent.
They tell me how much
I would get confused. This is so fun to watch, to be honest. Still he he didn't make any mistakes. He did amazing.
Marcelito Pomoy!
That was so good. So that was the video, and once again he put a smile on my face. I am so happy. I am so happy that he exists. Yeah. And did you know that he also had a very difficult childhood, and he does lots of charity work because he knows what it's like to have nothing. And that is also one of the reasons that I love him and I respect him. And he will always be our hero. So if you have not already, please go subscribe to Marcelito. His channel will be here, somewhere here, and I will put the link to his channel in my description, his official YouTube channel. I'm surprised by how many of you have not subscribed. And let's give him views that he deserves, because I see his recent posts and I don't see as much views as he deserves. So, and I just want every one of us to support him. This is such an amazing person, talent plus wonderful, plus he is so kind. So that's the video, and I will be doing more of the video from Marcelito soon. It will be coming soon. And yeah, that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching and staying till the end. I love you guys so much. Please give me a thumbs up and subscribe, and also don't forget to take care of yourself. Bye. Please take care of yourself.